What's going on, guys? Bringing you a whole new video. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm back. That's all that matters. Well, anyways, yeah, I just got the box literally right now. This is why the reason why I've been lacking making videos, because I open the box, I get so excited, and then I put it up, and I get too lazy to grab the camera and start recording. But I'm gonna stop that. I'm in the moment, enjoying this shoe. As you can see, I already opened it up, but I wanna leave it how it was. You can see how I got it. Yes, these are my socks, just covering my freaking address so you guys won't come stalk me anyways. But yeah, so I already opened it up, got the scissors. By the way, this was delivered by Goat. If you now already know, Goat is like the competitor for StockX. So this is what I got. This is what I got from there. As you can see, this is pretty cool. I was like, whoa, that's tight. Gold verified, gold verified. So this is like a legit gold box. This is pretty cool. And then of course you get the little thing in here that tells you they're verified, blah blah blah. Little signature there. I don't know who was that, but thank you, LD. I think that's, yeah, LD. Thank you for verifying my shoes, making sure they're brand new, what I paid for. And then so far everything was so good. And then, you know, this little paper, I was like, okay, well, where's the other box, right? So I started getting hints of the shoe. See that? I was like, oh, okay, there's no other box. This is the box. Boom, there go the shoes right there. They were delivered to me. Okay, so I thought, well, okay, the box is pretty cool. It looks nice, you know. But the thing is, like, there's no other box. So then when they were shipping these puppies, they were just all over the place, like this, which I don't like. But I like the box. I think it's cool. I think it would be even more cool if these shoes would have been their own box inside this box. You get what I mean? A box inside of a box. Mind blown. But yeah, go next time, man. Come on, put a box inside these shoes. Okay, and then put it inside this box. You get what I mean? I just feel like there's more protection. All right, let me get these puppies out. So put them on top of the box so we can get a quick review. There they are. My god, these are so sexy. These puppies were hard to find in some websites, like, well, first of all, StockX, sorry, Flight Club and Stadium Goods do not have these shoes. And if they do, maybe it's like one size, like a big old size 13 and up, maybe, I don't know. They don't have them. The only ones I found them on was StockX and Gold. And then on StockX, my size, which is size 9, they were going for $1,000. Can you believe that? I was like, hell no. $1,000 on StockX. But on Gold, I got these babies for $250. So the guy was, whoever was selling it was asking for $250, and then I put a bid of $225, and then he dropped it down to $240, and then I put $235. And then, you know, he wasn't accepting. Okay, and then I was like, all right, he's not accepting it. I was holding on, waiting. Maybe he would accept my bid for, like, I give him, like, you know, a couple of minutes. I was like, no, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take $240. You know, for $5. Seriously, you know. And so I ended up paying $250. Why $250? Because of $10 shipping. But these are really nice. Real nice. Look at the bottom. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Clean. Give me your thoughts. Let me know in the comments. Do you have the shoes? Do you like the tints? From what I know, this only came out once, and it was July 23rd, 2005, according to the Gold app. So, super nice shoes. Let's see. Super clean. And that's my review. That's my thoughts on it. I'm gonna be rocking this baby soon. So I'm thinking about doing a review about the shoe, and then maybe upload like a on feed like later, but first upload this and then just upload on feed by itself. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Super nice shoe. Jordan 10. Now this is my second pair of Jordan 10s. I do own the OVOs, the white version. I just haven't made a freaking video of it because I just been lazy, I guess. I haven't even worn those shoes. But yeah, but these are really nice. These are really nice. I think I even like them better than the OVOs. You know, I will compare them later in another video if you guys want to see that. But these things are sick. Let me know if you want me to compare these shoes to OVOs. I will do that for you. I do have them. Super nice. Alright, so what happened? Nah, I like how it looks right here because everything's dark and then it's just this. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a picture for IG. Follow me in IG at follow me in IG and Alpha Authentic. Check me out. Follow me. I'll be that's where I upload my my latest cop pictures of him before I even make a video. So hope you guys like it. I love this shoe. Let me know your thoughts, what you think. And for all 5 sneaker, these things look in pretty good wearable condition. They don't look like they're just breaking down or anything like that. I hope not. They look like that. They look like they can hold up, but man, they're so nice. Anyways, ciao guys. Like, subscribe.